Since I was 10, I have called Kamanhalli my home. And let me tell you, this place has transformed in unimaginable ways. The version of me from years ago would not even recognize this place now. It just buzzes with life and excitement, and it's a shame that I can't walk around in my pajamas anymore because everyone here is so well dressed. And the fact that 1522 is now in Kamanhalli, that just warms my heart. Why we love this place so much is a story for another day. So the next day, I woke up, got ready, took an auto, and went to meet my friend after a long, long time. Aren't adult friendships so weird? We don't talk for ages because we caught up with work, family, just so many adult things. But when we meet, everything just makes perfect sense.
Do cheers.
Even I have to make them.
When did I say don't make?
This was one such long pending meeting. We'd been planning this for almost months or even years, and we finally caught up on some good food and a lot of talking. We also have this weird tradition that whenever we meet, we buy matching things. So this time it was a matching outfit.
Grey and it's color. See, black in this look nice. So I'm telling you, I have like 3 in this pink. This is our third try.
Ew, my hair is stuck.
How did it go inside? What the hell? First of all, I have like 4 hairs. On this. For this. For this.
I came back home, walked this baby, went to sleep, and next day was all work.
Hello everyone. So it's 4:05 currently and it's 8th of April and I have an appointment. Whoa, shit, my phone fell down. I have an appointment at 4:30, so I have about 25 minutes before we start. So I'm gonna go have some chai. That's what I'm thinking. So let's go.
After my clinic, which I finished around 7:38 in the evening, I was dead. So I reached home, didn't record anything, and the next day was work too. And then on 11th of April, we had holiday for Ramzan. So I cleaned very little of the room. We did that, and then we decided to go to Mantri Mall and Just Loaf.
This is my not so aesthetic makeup tutorial. Just put a cream all over your face. So today is Eid, happy Eid, and we're going to Mantri Mall. He doesn't want to say anything. Why are we going to Mantri Mall?
To shop for you.
Yeah, so I have a presentation coming up on the 19th of April. We're going to Mantri Mall, shop a little, and then go to Just Loaf to eat breakfast for lunch. Few days back, we got Deadpool from Bad Habits in Malleshwaram, and it's finally time to stick this Deadpool on the dashboard. So let's do this together. It's got a neck collar, we have to remove that. We gotta put this double side tape. It's also not as powerful, I'm guessing, but move this double tape here. Kim, press. I don't think he'll stay for too long, but we're gonna keep him. Cutie.
We reached Mantri Mall, and I first went to Zudio to check out some clothes, but didn't like any formals there. I really like this shirt for Suraj. I thought it was really cute.
So I did not find a formal shirt in Zudio, but I bought a lot of pouches and random things.
We're gonna go to Zudio now.
Oh, we're not going to Zudio, we're going to
West side.
no, West Side now. Where? That is lingerie section, not formals.
Oh, there are some formal shoes there.
Really?
Yeah, there are formal shoes.
This is formal.
Yeah.
What?
How is this formal? First of all, this is kids section. That's sleepwear, babe. taking this time for this.
Sleepwear.
Yes. Yes.
I didn't really like any of the formals in Westside as well. We found this pink shirt, but again, it wasn't that great, and it was $1,300. Didn't seem worth it.
Destination is our favorite. My favorite. H&M. How do I look, guys? How does it look?
Of course, first I had to start with things I absolutely didn't need.
We're gonna try 1, 2, 3. So this is my option 1 for the presentation. I already have these pants from Zara. Just looking for a formal top. So Suraj says this kind of washes me out, which I think is true. This is option 2. I mean, I don't know how it looks on the camera, but I think in real this really looks nice and monochrome, because this is beige, then this is beige, and I can probably wear beige slippers and it'll be buff. This is option 3, I mean the grey. I didn't even tuck it in because this and this is just weird. I think I like this one the most. Although it borderline looks like a night dress, but I think with the formal pants it goes great. So Suraj waiting for me like the ever so good boyfriend. I'm sorry, husband. Nothing. I wanted to wear my brand new shades right now, so Suraj is trying to remove the tag. I'm wearing my shades that I just bought. I think they look nice.
We then went to Jesloaf in Koramangala. We'd heard about this place on Instagram a lot, almost 8 to 9 months back, but hadn't had the time to visit, and we finally made the time to
Hi,
come
Shreya.
here.
Hi.
How excited are you?
I'm excited about the food. At the first glance, I feel like the seating is not the most comfortable because it's all in the sun.
But we found ourselves a spot.
Yeah, we found ourselves a spot. But yeah, I'm waiting for the food. So we're at Just Loaf. I've told that 10,000 times by now. Taste it and tell us how it is. It's good. Really?
How is it?
The bun is really soft. This is Suraj's steak. What steak? It's mashed potatoes, steak, and butter and corn.
How is it?
This is the hazelnut brownie shake. It's really nice.
So this place has really minimal interiors with just red and white as their color theme. It's really nice, spacious and open, considering that there are a lot of windows and glasses. I think it's a really nice place if you want to grab breakfast for lunch or just hang out with a group of friends. It's a really chill, nice place, really spacious and airy. We especially loved the burger because of the freshness of the bun. It was just super soft. And I've always wanted to try the Korean cream cheese bun, and we finally got to buy that. But clearly it was super full, so we had to parcel it. They have an in-house bakery, so the breads here are really fresh.
So we just came back from Just Loaf. Yeah, the food was good. I'd say what? 7 on 10?
I think it's 8 on 10.
Okay, 8 on 10. Yeah, the only thing was in that last brownie thing, they didn't put sugar. It was not sugary, it was very bland and tasted like ice. But okay, it was good. The quality is good. It's nice.
So I wanted to try the cream cheese bun at dinner time, so I slightly heated it in the microwave. If you ask us for an honest review, it was super creamy and buttery. And for someone who really likes cream and butter all in one, you'll probably love this. But it was a little too much for us.
Garlic bread. And
Bread and cheese.